Let's say you want to improve the SEO of your posts. For that, you'll need to work on the ones that have short content. Therefore, it is necessary that among all the posts you have written so far, you find all those that don't have content long enough to edit them. The problem is that if you have hundreds of posts, you'll have to spend several hours opening them individually to see the length of the characters. And this, of course, is a tedious and long task. The good thing is that we can show you how to find all your posts with short content in seconds. All you have to do is install the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin shows you all posts in a spreadsheet, where you can apply thousands of changes to thousands of posts or pages in seconds. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once we have installed and opened the plugin, we're ready to search for all the posts by content length. To do this, we'll open the search tool. Tickle here to enable the advanced filters. Then select content. The operator will be character length less than. Now we'll enter 1000 here, to search for all posts with less than 1000 characters on their content. Finally, let's run the search. After using these simple search terms, you'll see all your posts that contain a short content displayed on the spreadsheet. You can quickly apply any changes you wish on the spreadsheet, or you can export these posts, and edit them with Excel or Google Sheets to import the changes once you're done. As you can see, you don't have to spend hours again trying to identify which of your posts have short content, thanks to the WP Sheet Editor plugin. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.